Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support and thanks for your comments also. So when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, May 15th, at 6 p.m. we have one high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Otherwise we don't have any high impact news planned for Monday. Let us look at the price action for the coming week from the weekly time frame to lower time frames and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So I am in weekly time frame now, and when we look at the price action in weekly time frame, we have noticed a price action to continuous trend on the bearish trend in the past, and we have noticed a price action to make a consolidation making a movement on the sideways. Then we have noticed a price action to make a bullish side trend reversal. So when we look at the current trend of the price action, it is in a bullish trend. So during this bearish trend also we have noticed a price action to bounce back and to retest on the previous resistance level, and then to break the current support to fall further on the bearish side, again to retest on the previous resistance, and then to break the current support to fall further on the bearish side retracement. And here we have noticed a price action to again retest on the previous resistance, but it did not break the previous low. It started consolidating within this support and resistance level. Then we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal, breaking the previous resistance level. So during the bearish trend also we have always noticed a price action to retest on the previous resistance level and to continue its bearish trend. And when we look at the bullish trend, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side, then to bounce back on the bearish side and take support around this previous support level, then to break the previous high to make a new high. And during this process you can notice that price action has not retraced to retest on this support levels. It has a unmitigated zone. So if the price action makes a bearish side bounce back, we can expect the price action to retrace back to this level in order to take the liquidity and to make a bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And when we look at the current price action over here, so before making the trend reversal, we have noticed a price action to make a consolidation and then to make a trend reversal on the bearish side. And when we look at the current price action also, we are noticing it to make a consolidation. And when we look at the current zone where the price action is trading, it is retesting on the previous supply zone. So it's a very strong resistance zone from the past price action, and only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend. But when we look at the candlesticks formation, it is making lots of indecision candles, which means the bullishness is becoming weaker around this zone. So if you want to enter on the bullish side trade, wait for the price action to make a new green color candles closing above this resistance zone, and then wait for the price action to retrace back similar to this price action, which will give the confirmation on the continuation of the current bullish trend, based on which you can enter on the bullish side trade in weekly time frame. For now there is no confirmation on the continuation of the bullish trend in weekly time frame. But overall when we look at the current trend of the price action, it is still in a bullish trend for now. So we can expect the price action to retrace to retest on this previous support level and to consolidate around this zone over here. And only when the price action breaks this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in weekly time frame. And again, as long as the price action is trading above this trend line, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue in weekly time frame. And to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal, wait for the price action to make a very strong bearish candle breaking the previous low, and also this trend line, it will be the confirmation on the trend reversal on the bearish side. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. So I am in daily time frame now, and when we look at the current price action in daily time frame, Previously, this zone between 1956 to 1940 was acting as a very strong resistance level, and the price action has clearly breached this resistance level with a very strong bullish candle. And also we have noticed a price action to retrace back to take support on this resistance zone, which is now converted as a support zone, and we have noticed a price action to continue trading on a bullish trend after this breakout. And every time it crosses a very strong resistance zone, we can notice that price action is making a very strong bullish candle, which is a good sign of a breakout. But when we look at the price action at this resistance zone, which is the higher time frame resistance zone, the price has tested this resistance zone, but the body did not close at this level or above this resistance zone, which shows that this is still a valid resistance zone in the daily time frame. And we know from the weekly time frame that the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend, and I have also drawn a trend line for the daily time frame. And in the daily time frame also, the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend. It has also retraced back to the previous support level, so we can expect the price action to again bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And we don't have much space on the bullish side, so wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side, breaking this support zone in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal. Once this support zone is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1956 to 1940. And only when the price action breaches this support zone, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame and also in the weekly time frame, because it will be breaking the daily time frame trend line and also the weekly time frame bullish trend line. So for now, the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is also in a bullish trend. It is consolidating within the support zone between 204 to 1980 and the resistance zone between 2070 to 2050. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now, and when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we know that the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend because it is trading above this daily time frame trend line or the support line. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is trading between the higher time frame resistance level of 2067 to 2048 and support level of 2000 to 1980. And the current trend of the price action for 4 hours time frame is in a bearish trend. I am drawing the resistance line over here, and if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support on the daily time frame trend line or the support line and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. So based on the past price action, we know that this zone between 2000 to 1980 had acted as a very strong support zone. So wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line from the daily time frame and also this support zone in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade. And next level of support is going to be around 1956 or the support line from the weekly time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in 4 hours time frame. And only when the price action breaches this resistance zone, we can expect the continuation of bullish trend in 4 hours time frame also. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. As we already know from the 4 hours time frame that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, and currently it has taken support on the support level of 2000, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement within this consolidation. And when we look at the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame, so currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 2012 and support level of 2000. Once the price action breaks the support level of 2000, next level of support is going to be around 1986. And once this trend line on the support level of 1986 is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1969 and 1946 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaches this resistance level of 2012 and continues its bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 2020, 2027, 2037, 2053 and 2067. And overall, when we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, it is consolidating within this resistance line and the support line from the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is again consolidating within the higher time frame, support zone and the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. Currently it has tested this support level of 2000, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and present resistance is around the level of 2012. Once this resistance level is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 2019, 2024, 2030, 2037, 2048, 2060 and 2077, which means that price action will be making a double bottom pattern. So to summarize, in the lower time frame, we are noticing the price action to consolidate within this resistance line and the trend line from the daily time frame, whereas in the higher time frame, we are noticing the weakness in the bullishness. But still the trend of the price action in the higher time frame is in a bullish trend. So wait for the price action to give a proper breakout from this bullish trend line in the lower time frame in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in the lower time frame, and then we can expect the trend reversal to start in the higher time frame also. But on the other hand, if the price action breaks this higher time frame resistance zone between 2067 to 2048, we can expect a fresh bullish trend to start from the higher time frame, which means that we have to get a very strong bullish candle breaking this higher time frame resistance zone, which will give the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish trend in the higher time frame and also in the lower time frames. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.